Hi guys, welcome back with me again to this channel. OpenAI just dropped something absolutely insane, the ChatGPT AI Agent Builder. And in this video, I'll show you how you can use it step by step, how to build your own AI assistant, and why this update changes everything for creators, developers, and businesses. So if you ever wanted your own custom ChatGPT that actually works like a personal AI, let's dive right in. Alright, so what exactly is the agent builder? It's basically ChatGPT on steroids, so you can now create your own AI agent, one that has a specific role, knowledge base, and personality. So think of it like training your own mini AI, a content writer, coding assistant, study board, or even a YouTube manager, all built inside ChatGPT with zero coding. So to get started, you can just go to ChatGPT and then click on Explore GPTs in here. And if available, you can see there will be an options called Create a New ChatGPT. This one, but this one is a feature for ChatGPT Plus. So if you are on a free version like I do, you need to upgrade it first. But I'm going to just tell you the steps. So once you click on create a new ChatGPT, you'll enter the agent builder dashboard, and from there you can customize everything about your new AI. For example, let's call mine viral video agent, a bot that helps me write YouTube titles, script, and CEO tags. Then in the description box, I'm going to tell ChatGPT what this AI does. For example, my AI does this. You're an expert YouTube strategist who writes engaging titles and script for tutorial. So the more specific you are, the smarter your AI will behave. After that, you can upload custom knowledge. Let's say you're a brand or teacher. You can upload your own documents, maybe a guidebook, your company's frequently asked question, or course notes. The AI will then use that info to answer questions, meaning it's not limited to what ChatGPT already knows. Next, actions. So this will let your agent perform real-world tasks like calling APIs, sending data to Google Sheets, or even posting on social media. This is where AI starts doing the work for you. Don't worry if you're new, you can skip this for now, but it's what makes your agent truly next level. So before publishing, you can click on preview and test your AI. You can try asking it what it does or run a few example commands. And once it's ready, you can hit on publish and your AI will live. You can make it public, private, or shareable with a link. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks thing. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye!